Hey guys, Star here. If you're an agency owner and you're running WhatsApp ads, you're not going to want to miss this training. I'm going to show you how you can turn ad clicks into instant conversations, which will only increase your revenue. Let's go ahead and hop into this training so that I can show you how to use WhatsApp ads and Facebook page call to actions so that you can actually start messaging your prospects directly through WhatsApp. You're going to want to be on the sub account level, and on the left-hand side, we're just going to go ahead and navigate to automation. Once in automation, we're going to go ahead and select the plus create workflow blue button at the top right. Let's go ahead and start from scratch. So we're going to add that trigger. And if you just go ahead and search WhatsApp, you're going to see click to WhatsApp ads. Let's select that. Then you want to add a filter. Your filters will be ad or post ID. So if you have a post ID, you can go ahead and select that. If not, you want to go ahead and add contains phrase and what that phrase is. Then save your trigger. Once you've created your trigger, we're just going to go ahead and click the plus sign. So there are a few things that you can do here. You can actually send a message. You can assign to a pipeline stage by clicking on creating an opportunity. You can also fire off a webhook. So in this case, we can go ahead and create an opportunity, and you'll just go ahead and select the pipeline that you want to use for this and the pipeline stage and go ahead and save that action. So let's go ahead and take a look at the message option. Let's go ahead and click on the plus sign. You can go ahead and select the WhatsApp option to send a message. You'll just go ahead and select the number that you're going to send the message from, as well as the template. So once you've selected what's going to happen after that actual click happens on the WhatsApp ad or the Facebook page, then you're just going to want to go ahead and publish and save your automation. So there are a couple of important things that I want to cover. Once you've configured your click to WhatsApp ads workflow, you might be wondering what free entry point conversations are. So basically, this just simply means that if a customer clicks on your WhatsApp ad or your Facebook call to action, you respond within 24 hours. The conversation is free. There's no messaging fees. This will last for 72 hours from when your message is delivered. All other conversations are closed and no new ones can start until that session expires. You might want to know how your conversations are actually going to be charged under this trigger. If you respond within 24 hours to the customer's initial message, again, that is a free entry point conversation that is actually open. So you won't be charged for sending messages, including templates, during the 72-hour period. But if you respond after 24 hours, no session is initiated, then you'll need to use a paid template message so that you can re-engage with that lead. We did show you how you can send those templated messages within the workflow, but this is going to be dependent upon your timing. So within 24 hours of the customer's message, you can send a free-form, non-templated message. But after 24 hours, only templated messages are allowed, unless that lead or customer sends you another message that resets the 24-hour customer service window. So go ahead and start using this automation so that you can have more efficiency in your conversations. You can actually save cost as well by leveraging that free entry point into those conversations, whether you want to send templated messages or non-templated messages. I can't wait to see you implementing this in your business.